And in this live class, we want to look at one of the basic topic in mathematics, that is directed number. So this will enable us to be able to add and subtract number easily. So here we need to take note of the first thing here, that is number line. So we want to make use of number line here, and on our number line we have this, then the center here is 0, then all the numbers to the right hand side are positive numbers. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. Then also numbers to the left are negative, so we have -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Then it is important to note here that numbers to the right is greater than the numbers to the left. Then we can make use of this in handling directed number. For instance, we can use number line, for example here. Evaluate this with the use of number line. So the first one we have -8 plus 10. -8 plus 10. Then also the second one we have -4 minus 5. Now from here, when we are making use of number line, if it is addition, we are going to count towards the right. So we'll be shifting towards the right whenever we are adding in addition. And if it is subtraction that we are doing, we are going to be counting towards the left. Now let's use number line for the first one here. Now, solution from here. The first one here, we indicate this using number line. And from what we have here, we have the negative part up to -8. So let me put 0 somewhere here. So we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Then on the right hand side, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, to handle this with number line here, we start from the first number here indicated, which is -8. So -8 is here. Then what we have here is addition. We are adding here. Then we are shifting 10 times to the right. So addition is towards the right. So when we shift 10 times to the right, from -8 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is where we stop, and therefore the result of this is 2. So -8 plus 10 is equals to 2. And we can verify that, without number line. -8 plus 10 is same thing as 10 minus 8, which is equals to 2. So number line is, useful in finding directed number. And also, let's look at the second one there. From the second one given, also, we make use of number line. That is, we have the number line like this. Then here, let me put 0 here. The negative part is also more than the negative. Positive. So we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10. Then here positive we have 1, 2, 3, and so on. Now from here, this is what we are doing here. We have to use number line for -4 minus 5. Now this here, the first one we start with -4. So this is -4 here. Then here we are subtracting here. Minus, we count towards the left when we are subtracting. So it will be towards the left. And that implies that we shift 5 times towards the left. Now from here, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when we stop here, we have the answer here as -9. Therefore, -4 minus 5 equals to -9. And which also, we can do without number line, because -4 minus 5 will be -9. Some people used to teach this like this, which, is applicable. They see minus as when somebody is owing something, like you are owing someone the money. So you owe someone 4 naira, you owe another person 5 naira. Altogether, the total money you are owing will be 9. So that will be -9. And in the same way, if you are dealing with directed number like this, so as to avoid anything like confusion. So if you have minus is addition, you add the two numbers together, then minus will be in front of your answer. And also, for instance, if you have something like this, okay, let's say what we have is -9 plus 5. Here, you will, if the biggest number here is having minus, then first you subtract the two number, it will be 4. Then your answer will carry minus. Now we can show this also with number line from what we have. That is, the negative is also more than the positive here. So let's put 0 here. So we have -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, then -9. That is from here. This here is 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Then we start from -9. Then addition means we are counting towards the right hand side. Then we are counting 5 times to the right. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we stop here, which implies the answer here is -4. So normally, if the biggest number here is carrying minus, you had, you subtract rather, then the answer will have negative sign, because the biggest number is having the negative sign. Actually, this aspect of mathematics is very important. Whosoever wants to be good in mathematics must fully understand directed number. That's why some students, when you see them, they face challenges in algebra when they have something like, they don't know what to do. When they have 5x plus 2x, you see them, so many people will write, wrong thing. And once you write wrong thing there, the answer will be wrong. Actually, that's why some people see maths as a difficult subject, but it's actually simple. So direct number is one of the foundation of mathematics. So also, let's look at science. Now, when we have something like this, that is, when we have plus, we have plus times plus together. So this will be plus. Then when we have minus times minus, that is minus, that also will be plus. So now, it means that when two signs that are the same are together, the result is plus. Then the opposite is when we have plus minus, it is minus. When we have minus plus, it is also minus. So this will help us in directed number as well. Now let's look at this, questions here. Find the value of the following. We have a plus 7 plus 8. So what is the answer here? Also, the second one, we have plus 25, then minus 30. So what's the answer to this? And also the third one, we have plus 13 minus plus 6. So what will be the answer to this? Then also the next one, we have plus 10 plus minus 6. What's the answer to this as well? Now when we follow this principle of signs, here the first one is same thing as 7 plus 7 is still 7. So that's 7, then plus is plus. That's plus 8. And 7 plus 8 here, that's 15. We can also use number line to do that. Then also the next one from here, plus 25 is still 25. Then we have minus. It is plus. That's plus 30, and which is equals to 55. Then the next one here, plus 13 is still 13. Then we have plus here is still minus. That's minus 6. And that gives us 7 from here. So that is that. Then which also from here we have 10 is still plus 10 is still 10. Then plus minus, that's minus 6. And this gives us 4 from here. So now this principle will help us to handle, problem that require directed number like this. Then also we have so many ones we can lay our hands upon. Let me write some out that you can quickly do. Now mental sum very fast. So let somebody see this. So we have 70 plus minus 30. So what is this? Then we have another one. We have 19 plus 8. What is this? Then also C, we have 25 minus plus 3. The answer here. Then D, also we have 12 minus 9. What is this? So these are some example also for us to try, or some exercise rather. So thank you for joining us. You are watching Master T Math Class, and we appreciate you for joining. Subscribe for more videos. We upload videos on mathematics daily. I appreciate you for joining. So stay tuned and have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye.